Today, we received a package from Zosh, Japan. I received a car part that I impulsively bought because it was too good of a deal not to. No wait time, and Zosh, Japan is just, he's that guy. Cody is that guy. And we got a part for the Civic today, and we're going to be maybe installing it. I don't know, because I might have to get it painted. I could just paint it myself, because at the end of the day, bro, I ain't got the funds to be painting these parts like nothing. If I could do it myself on this part, because it is a J's Racing rear diffuser, bro, I'm not even gonna keep y'all in suspense. I have acquired a J's Racing diffuser for the FD2. Whoa, oh my god. I just called my Civic an FD2. It's not. Aww. My Civic is not transgender. It's a FA5 USDM Civic. Yes, I can dress it up all day to look like something, but underneath, it's still an FA5. I know that may be a strange concept for those to accept, but it is not an FD2. It's an FA5, bro. A JDM FA5. You're finna get canceled. I'm not trying to get myself canceled. I'm really not. But without more attempts of me canceling myself by speaking basic knowledge, let's unbox this diffuser. J's Racing rear diffuser for the Civic. We most definitely are gonna have to do our own body work on it. Well, not body work really. We just gotta do some scuffing, some sanding, and then painting. I'm probably gonna do like a matte finish on it instead of like a gloss black. I kind of think a matte black will look kind of cool. But my OE diffuser is gloss black. Jose painted it for me. But I don't know. I guess we'll see. Alright, so looking underneath the car, I don't actually have my OE under tray. I got rid of it. I can't remember why, but I did get rid of it. Oh, let me cancel that. So my install should be a lot easier because I don't have to worry about that. I think I gotta do something with these tabs. I was watching the homie Vic Wavy's video last night about, I think, bending these tabs out the way, but he is running the under tray, which I don't have, which would be useful because with the diffuser and then the stock OE diffuser, it'll make it look more like a flat body, flat panel back here, which is actually pretty nice. It actually is active. It's active AERO that works from factory, which is why the 8th gen is the best car Honda has made in the last, give or take, 20 years. The process looks pretty easy to remove the factory stuff with the bumper still on. I've seen people remove the bumper. I don't want to do all that because I got the flares on. So I think I am going to remove the exhaust, but that's V-banded, so that's really cake. And then go from there. But I do want to start the process of sanding and getting that J's diffuser ready. I still got to go out and buy bolts to even bolt it up. It didn't come with the hardware, unfortunately. So gotta go at Ace Hardware, pick up the hardware I need, and then scuff paint the J's diffuser, and then we should be solid. I kind of want some coffee though. On the way to Walmart to pick up my paint supplies. I'm gonna use some off-the-shelf primer and paint and just send it, because it is what it is, bro. Like, I'm not going for nothing crazy.
Down, buzzer beater, do it all now, top corner talking home run, touchdown, buzzer beater, do it all now, top corner like, all in, lit the fire when you doubted, now I'm all in, put me with the best, bring the stars in, undefeated mode, no falling, doubted when I lost, slide back when I win, fade and pay the cost, but I rose so thick and thin, battles and the scars, see them on my skin. They tried to knock me out, but I'ma fight it to the end, and there's no days off. I'm just resting up a little, know it pays off. I'm just stuck up in the middle, knock some weight off. I've been carrying for years, and I'm not worried, I got no fear. Home run, touchdown, buzzer beater, do it all now, top corner talking home run, touchdown, buzzer beater, do it all now, top corner like, all in, lit the fire when you doubted, now I'm all in, put me with the best, bring the stars in, undefeated mode, no falling. Hey you down there, see you stop and stare.
Alright, so it is the next day. I went ahead and started polishing, buffing, cutting, sanding, all that fun stuff to get to where I'm at, and I messed up. Like, bro, I was so proud of myself. I was genuinely stoked for how great this came out until my orbital sander started like nicking the paint, because I don't have like a small. Well, let me just show you what I'm talking about. All right, so this is the diffuser. I done already polished it out, so I don't know if it's gonna pick up on camera, but I nicked it right there. and it took the paint off, and I was like, you know what, I'm done. And I was doing so good on the polishing and saying, like, bro, you guys can't even tell, but it was like, bro, it was like kind of like a mirror-like finish until it started like messing up on me. But it's done, it's solid. Now it is just time to install it onto the car. I went to Ace Hardware yesterday, got the bolts, washers, got everything I need. Now it's just putting it onto the Civic, which should be straight, simple. I also had to cut this part right here so it can clear the P2R muffler. So yeah, everything should be solid now. Let's go ahead and mount this thing up and see what's goody. It's hitting right here. I'm gonna have to cut that right there, and then this is kind of hitting here, and then the tow hook is hitting, so I'm gonna have to trim probably this out right here. If I can't even see that, I gotta trim that and then figure out what I'm gonna do about that. And then yeah, so just a little bit of trimming I have to do on the tow hook side, because the FD2 tow hook sits, I think, more to the left or right, I can't remember, but yeah, so I just gotta trim this piece right here, cut this off. Now, so I got it pretty much how I want it. Once I, obviously do what I gotta do with like the drilling and stuff, it'll close out these gaps and everything. But yeah, I'm stoked. So we have a total of 10 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side, and then we got 5 on the other side. And we just gotta drill right through these, right into the bumper, which is the scary part, because I hope I don't mess this up. This gotta be like A1, like perfect. Because if it's not, then I am cooked. Is Zosh gonna ruin his J's Racing diffuser? Find out next on Zosh. So I get here to do the cinematics for the diffuser and everything, and then I saw a red SI pull up, and I'm like, oh man, somebody done found me. And I don't know, I get very scared, I would say. Yes, I get scared when like random cars pull up to me because I don't know what could happen, you know what I mean? But it turns out it was Damien. Damien is a new homie, bro. Like, the man just graced me, as you guys saw, just graced me with so much love that blows my mind, bro. Like, it's crazy to see the impact I truly do have in this whole industry thing of amongst my own people, bro. Like, I'm just gonna flat out and say it. This has been the best Black History Month I've ever experienced in my entire life. It's so cool, man. Damien, thank you for stopping by and giving me some time and just speaking life into me, bro. Just to hear that someone understands what I'm trying to do. And then we were talking about like how the comments can be like negative and just a bunch of crabs in a barrel. And he was like, bro, if they were to just take the time and listen to what you're saying. And I was like, bro, you get it. As long as you get it, that means other people get it. And that's all that I could hope for. That was just amazing. But dude, let me give you guys a walk around of the Civic with the new bonnet and the J's Racing diffuser on. Ugh, look at that thing. Look at the diffuser. Look at the diffuser. Oh, bro, it makes it so much better. Like, it really brought in the rear end of this car. Like, I know a lot of people were skeptical on the swan neck spoiler with the bigger end plates, but with the J's diffuser, this looks like a race car. I just need to go race it. I'm ready though, and I know you're probably thinking, Zosh, bro, that wheel fitment is hideous. Well, my suspension is set up properly, so that's the best I'm gonna do, and I kind of like it. Like, I don't care to be dirt nasty dumb low. Like, my fronts are way too wide. So, and I have a spacer because if I don't run a spacer, then it hits the coilover. So these are 10.5 plus 15 with the spacer to plus it out, I think, 1/4 of an inch. So it's like plus 13.5, 14.5, I don't know. It's something crazy. But I think I want to end up getting a different front set of wheels, a front pair of wheels. I think I'm gonna do 18 by 9.5 plus 22 up front. So I could go a little bit lower and have that nice rake where the front is lower, the rear is a little higher. But for now, I mean, until I find some wheels that I want to put on, I'm just gonna rock this setup right here. So that's why the front's a little higher. And then once that's settled, then I can go a little more lower in the rear to match it. But yeah, this is the new bonnet. Chris Diaz Designs painted this for me. Paint match, left the vents exposed carbon. Ings +1 bonnet. Fields front end. Mugen grill. T37 Ings side skirts. PCI swan neck wing. Fields rear flares. And now a J's Racing diffuser with OE, Type R, bumper, and taillights. I'm happy though. This looks great. This looks pretty damn good. Damn, the Civic look, bro. The J's Racing diffuser. Oh my God, bro. Like, look at that side profile. Oh, that's so good. That's so good. Oh, look at that. I might gotta take a picture of that. I think that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for this video. Something cool, bringing it back old school, just one part car install. One car part install. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. There's not much going on this week. I am awaiting the Integra, so the next video I do release shall be me taking delivery of Christina. So until then, I hope you guys are cool with this video with the nice little J's Racing diffuser and showcasing the Ings paint match exposed, well, paint match but with exposed carbon vents, bonnet, blah 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 blah. If you thought this video was enjoyable in any way, shape, or form, then please do one of these. Hell, if you're new here, do all of them. If you're old here, undo all of them and then redo them again. Maybe we'll trick YouTube to thinking that like I'm actually cool. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.